This is an unboxing of the Invicta Star Wars watch I just received. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened up. Ooh. Some nice packaging on it. Look at that, check that out. Ooh. Invicta. Limited edition. That's nice. Slide this out. Alright. Let's open it up. Nice packaging. Real nice, heavy. This is a Star Wars Galactic Empire watch, model 33310. Let's check this out. Packaging looks really good. Looks like it's packaged up really well. Let's get this off of there. I'm gonna leave that. Like it packaged up really well. Whoa. This is a cool watch. Really cool. Check that out. That is cool. It's got like a Darth Vader design to it. Some kind of aqua plating. Specifications, the case and dial, case size 42mm, case material stainless steel, bezel material stainless steel, bezel color steel, aqua plating, crayon type, screw down, crystal type, flame fusion, dial material, metal, mother of pearl, Oyster. The movement has a Swiss movement. The caliper is 515.24H and the function type is a quartz. Water resistance up to 1,000 meters. And the band has a stainless steel material, toned steel with aqua plating. And the length is 210 millimeters, size 24 millimeters. This is one of the heaviest watches I've ever felt. It's not that it's a bad thing, it's just not a small watch by any means. It does have a bit of weight to it. Moving on, let's take a look at the body of this watch. They've done a really good job on pulling off the Darth Vader design using a modern aqua plating. Really gives it a dark side look, and it pulls off very well. Going on to the crown, it's very large, but it fits the watch very nicely, and the Invicta logo adds a really nice touch to it. Now moving on to the bezel. This does have a diverse watch style bezel, and it is functional. One thing I felt could have been done better would have been red numbers so you could visually see them a little bit better, but this is just my personal preference. What really caught my eye was the inner casing with the deep inner bezel and stainless steel and the large numbers to tell the hours of military time. I think that was added a really nice touch to it. And definitely the coolest part of the watch, the dial outfitted with Darth Vader's TIE fighter, mounted to an Oyster dial backing with mother of pearl dots and accented in red. With the red hands, this really sets off this watch. This is definitely a special edition watch and one of a kind in its class, especially to be in Invicta's Reserve Pro Diver with 1,000-meter depth and a press of 3,300 foot. Man, that really sets it off. And I really like the way it shows the first Star Wars film dated back in 1977 and printed along with the Galactic Empire logo. there you have it for the Invicta Star Wars watch. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Comment below and let me know what your thoughts are on the Star Wars Invicta watch. See you in the next video. Thank you.